I've been very happy with the Renewal for Andersen doors that I received recently. The salesperson who initially came was very knowledgeable of the doors and very knowledgeable of the materials and the process to make the doors. We were able to put a package together that met my needs. I was then contacted by customer service after the sale was complete and went through what I did purchase, went through the finance and the program, and then also went through the timing for when the doors would be installed. There was a little bit of lead time on the door, but they made me aware of that right up front, so I knew the timing. They called me several days before the installation as reminders. The installers came right on time and had the doors installed just in one day. Actually, they said initially it was going to be two, but they got it done in one. Very professional crew, had the paperwork there. I got it all filled out. There was a slight scratch on one of the doors. They were very upfront with that and said that the door would be replaced. And again, customer service called me right after the installation, made me aware of the opportunity to replace that door, and said that they would follow up, which they have. And again, very happy with Renewal for Andersen and would highly recommend the doors.